Hi friends. Now I want to discuss very important special operator, that is slice operator. While discussing string concept, we will learn brief about this slice operator. Just I am giving the basic details about this slice operator to get basic idea on this. First, what is slice? Suppose an apple is there. Okay. If we cut apple into multiple pieces, each pieces are called slice, a part of an apple. Okay. Then what is a Python slice operator? The same thing. If I have one string and I want to get a part of string from that entire string, that part of string is called slice. How can you get that slice? By using this slice operator, we can get. Okay. Suppose I have a string like s equal to Dinesh. Okay. I have one string. You aware about this index will start from 0 in forward direction. In reverse means it will minus 1 to up to the thing how many length of the characters we have, it will go. So, okay, it depends on the character. Now I want which character that I have located in fourth and which is in fifth. That one we can know. This one is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I want third character means I need to mention s print s of 2. It will mention the third character. If I want fourth character means print s of 3. Likewise, sir. Okay. Now, now I want to slice the string. Slice means from, for example, from this I need these. I don't want to enter DI. I need to mention NESH. For this is called a slice operator. So for this case, what is the syntax for? First, you aware about the syntax of slice operator. That is s of begin colon end. Okay. Begin means from 0 to begin means 0 or 1 or 2, which one we need, that one we can mention. End means the same thing, which one we should like to end, we need to mention that index number. Okay. For example, I need this NES, then I need to mention s of print s of um, 2 colon I need NES. So 0, 1, 2, beginning is start. This one 3, 4. S is 4. But the syntax is end minus 1. Okay. So we need to mention the next digit. Like if you want to until 4 you need means you need to mention 5. Are you clear? Don't worry, I will show you. I will also execute that one. First, I will explain you. Okay. In this syntax, it returns the substring that is called slice from the beginning index to end minus 1. If I entered 2 is to 5 means it will mention 2 colon 5 minus 1. That means 4. Are you clear? I will show you in command. I will execute this one. I mention is equal to Dinesh. Okay, now print of s 2 colon. This one, if I mention 4 means it will not give me the requirement which I am expecting. Okay, only it is showing ne because it will take n minus end minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, so it is calculating 2 is to 3. That means 2 index of 2 is n, index of 3 is e, so you need to mention 5. Are you clear? If you not specify begin index means the default value is 0. For example, here I am not mentioned the beginning. So it is consider default value begin is 0. So it executes from the begin to 5 n minus 1. Okay. The same thing, if I not mention the last one end, it will calculate everything. Are you understand? Now you may have doubt. If not specify begin and end index means what is the output? Default value is 0. So the start from 0 to end. That means it will show entire thing. So you no need everything will print. Okay. It will show the entire string. Okay. If I am taking 3 colon 100, okay, but my string having only 5, then what is the output? Is that show index out of range error? Remember, slice operator never writes index out of range error. If I mention this, it will show until the last digit it will show. Okay, it will print display the output, but it will not show the index out of range in slice operator. Okay, but in index, if you mentioned s of 100 means it will definitely show an error. Are you clear, guys? Okay. If I assume s of 5 colon 1, that means be end to beginning. What will happen now? Make sure here we always move forward direction. In forward direction after 5 index, if we move forward, we will never go to index 1. So there is no slice, it will show empty. Okay. After 5 there is no slice, right? So it will show empty only. It will not run in reverse direction, and also we can't use the negative like minus, for example, minus 1 to minus 3. Okay, it will not calculate the negative numbers, and also even if you begin with the end number and you want to reverse direction number means it will not throw any error, and also it will not show any output, it will show just empty space. These are the basic idea of slice operator. It is not complete discussion of slice operator. Minimum 1 hour we need to spend on slice operator. Briefly, while explaining the string operator, I will explain you clearly. Okay. If you have any doubt, please wait until we complete the string operator. Are you clear, guys? If you like this video, like it and subscribe and share to your friends.